morning, welcome back to the Midnight Moose channel. Got another crossword for you today, Saturday, March 26, 2022. How's it going, everybody? Happy weekend. We got the universal freestyle for you. I did yesterday's crossword. Quick aside, I did yesterday's on my own time after I got home from work. Sorry for the spoilers. Obviously, it's complete. I don't understand the theme, but hey, you know what? That's every day. Let's hop into today's. Are we on the right mode? Yeah, okay. Knock the socks off. Wow or awe, maybe? Let's see. There's definitely a W, but where does it go? I don't know. Just say wow. Oh, where am I clicking? Let's say wow. Butter and lard. Okay. Those are oils. No, that doesn't make sense. I'm not a big butter guy. I don't know. Breakfast, bread, toast. That's a guess. Sheet in a diary. Of course, that's a page. Okay, I'm starting to think this isn't WP high school class. I don't know. Between ports, a C, obviously. Rolls with rice. Rolls with rice. Blank rolls from sushi restaurants. Is it just sushi? Maybe. Smudge. Smudge. Blur. Bluey. Blur. Camping trip. In the backyard, perhaps. Outdoor. No. Camping trip. I don't get the joke. Are you good with this? Okay, we can't use this. Will that be okay? I don't know. Lead into Gaga or Godiva. It's gonna be lady. It's gonna be lady. It could be worse. No? I don't know. Maui's blank highway. Oahu. Let me check. I'll see. Indigenous. 6-letter word for indigenous. I don't know. Lion's lair. That's a den. TV studio status on air. Sorceress who was Circe's niece. Hecate. I don't know. Took off. That's definitely ran? Maybe. Nose or mouth? Orifice. Drop the ball. Air? Maybe. Must you do that? Blank time on my time? On your time? Must you do that? This time? It's 5 letters. Every time. There we go. Think about it. Fine. Stay angry. I love all the phrases. I love all the random phrases that nobody ever says. And I gotta figure out 1 or 2 words for them. I love them, by the way. Gotta love these universal freestyles. Fine. Stay angry. I don't know. Sit up muscles. Abs. It's our turn. Let's go. I don't know. Shape of a stretched slinky. Spiratic. Is that a word? Spiral. Pretty simple. Pairs, duos. Like a temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Normal, maybe. Fancy schmancy. I don't know. Stress-free retreat. What's it called when you don't look at your phone for 2 weeks? Technology freeze. Hold on. There's a word for it. Disconnect. I don't know. Making mischief. Antagonizing. At last singer. Etta James. like some sauces or rolls. Side, aside. I don't know. MASH actor hidden in historical data. Alan Alda. Mark from surgery. Mark could be a doctor's name, or it could just be literal and be a scar or something. Existential uneasiness, dread. I've got it every day. Too interested. Could simply be into. QVC alternative. HSN. Alright, let's see if any of these are right. Probably not. Study cells. AP Bio. Kate of Grey's Anatomy. I believe that's Walsh. John Legend or Audrey Hepburn in terms of awards. Eugene Guinness. Egg. What? Come back to it. Life in it can be hectic. Ed Asner. Not sure. Regarding. As to, perhaps. Tropical wood, of course, is teak. Request during a checkup. Sad. Go. No. Oh, these are fats. Probably. That does support sad go. Fast. One of these is wrong. Or all of them. Come back to it. LAXID checkers is the TSA. Partying until the club closes, maybe out. Last? It's a video game. Where about 60% of people live, Asia. Not barefoot. Definitely shod. We. That's tiny. And we got staycation. Okay. When I do a staycation, I don't go outside at all. So that's my preference. I Love Lucy neighbor. That's Ethel Mertz. This is now smudge. Maybe blot. Ego. EGOT, right? That's an award thing. Then what is a winner? There we go, winner. Got it. Thanks, Ethel Mertz. Okay. Printer ink hue cyan. Everyone. All of you. Not orifice. Now I look like a freaking weirdo. Assuming that's right. Anyway, I don't know. Casually mentioned dinner with Oprah. Humble brag. Doesn't fit. Or does it? No, it doesn't. Bygone Volvo rival. Volvo, of course, a car. East. I don't know. Fast lane. It's gonna be fast lane, right? Hectic. So this is now. Who knows for sure? Apparently aisle worked out. Let me check. Aisle ago. Is that okay? Say ah. Not sure on the highway. Where were we? Toys with tails. Zipes. Perfect partner. Ideal match. Sounds good. Eat or drink, perhaps. Those are verbs. I'm all blank. Tell me. I'm all ears. Sketched. Drew. Roof projection. Eve. Rear beef cut. That would be the rump. Saving time. Saving time. Payday. Daylight savings. Saving time. Who knows? Candies with a powerful cinnamon kaboom. Red. What are they called? NYC neighborhood Once home to Andy Warhol. I can tell you. It's our turn. We're on NoCal? I don't know. French city that inspired Van Gogh. Probably. I don't know French cities. Pale Blue Dot, author Carl Sagan. Whoops. Looks like I was wrong again. Stand in for. Act as. Memorize like lines. Learn. Cougar. It is a cat. Word on a shop sign. Open. Is Dread wrong? What's going on? Solo at the prom. That's stag. Yep, we got bamboozled again. Alright, let's see what this one was. Existential uneasiness. Angst, I guess. And what was this? Cougar. Some sort of cat, for sure. This is posh. So, puma, of course. Collared shirt. That would be a shirt. Okay, sci-fi escape vehicles. Pods, escape pods, those are common. Wordle's publisher, abbreviated. New York Times bought Wordle recently. Alright, we got a fair amount. We've also failed a fair amount. Let's check it out. Making mischief up to no good. Apparently I just read O a bunch of times to get the answer. Okay. Like some sauces or rolls. Meaty, red hots. Sure. Neighborhood. The Bronx. Apparently not. Collared shirt. That's a... Right. Too interested. Nosy. Polo. Obviously, it's the word everybody was screaming. Stress-free retreat. Happy place. NoHo. Never heard of it. I've heard of Soho. South and north. Anyway, what's this? Indigenous. Native. Just stop writing stupid stuff, I guess. Sushi. I mean, that works. Out late. Sorceress. Medea? From the Family Reunion movie? I don't know. Name drop? It's Medea. Alright. What's this? Humid? Fine, stay angry. You're mad. I'm mad. Be mad. I guess. Saving time? Rainy day? Save it for rainy day. There you go. Femur? Feature. Volvo, sob. I'll ask, and kites. Incredible. Alright, not too shabby. Pretty interesting puzzle. Nice. Alright, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Have a great day. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more crosswords every day. And thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Have a great Saturday. Have a great March 26th. And there you go. Thanks for being here. See you next time. Farewell and bye.